Get ready to transform your kitchen. In this video, we're counting down the top 20 new kitchen gadgets that are not just innovative, but feel straight out of the future. From smart tools to clever space savers, these gadgets make cooking faster, easier, and way more fun. Stick around to discover unique items that can upgrade your kitchen game and change the way you cook forever. Number 1. Cake baking pan. The cake baking pan is essential for creating perfectly baked cakes with even heat distribution. Made from durable, non-stick materials, it ensures easy release and quick cleanup. Its sturdy construction prevents warping, making it reliable for repeated use. Affordable yet premium feeling, this pan is perfect for home bakers who want consistent, professional quality results. Whether baking birthday cakes, layer cakes, or desserts, compact and versatile, it adds convenience and efficiency to your baking routine while enhancing the presentation and taste of every creation. Number 2. Pie baking pan. The pie baking pan is designed for perfectly golden, evenly baked pies every time. Its non-stick surface ensures easy release and cleanup, while the sturdy construction maintains shape for professional quality results. Ideal for fruit, cream, or savory pies, it delivers consistent heat and performance. Affordable yet premium feeling, this pan is perfect for home bakers seeking convenience, durability, and reliable results. Compact, versatile, and easy to store. It's an essential tool for creating delicious, visually appealing pies with minimal effort. Number 3. Bread loaf pan. The bread loaf pan makes baking homemade bread easy and efficient. Its durable, non-stick surface ensures even browning and effortless loaf removal, while the sturdy construction prevents warping over time. Perfect for sandwich loaves, quick breads, or specialty recipes, it produces consistent results. Affordable yet premium feeling, this pan is ideal for home bakers who want professional quality bread without hassle. Compact and versatile, it adds convenience, reliability, and style to your baking routine, ensuring soft, golden, and perfectly shaped loaves every time. Number 4. Cooling rack. The cooling rack is perfect for allowing baked goods to cool evenly without sogginess. Made from durable, heat-resistant stainless steel, it supports cakes, cookies, and pastries while promoting airflow. Its sturdy design prevents bending and ensures long-lasting use, while the compact size makes it easy to store. Affordable yet premium feeling, this rack is ideal for home bakers who want efficient, professional quality cooling for every bake, keeping textures crisp, flavors fresh, and presentation flawless. Number 5. Steamer basket. The steamer basket makes healthy cooking effortless by allowing vegetables, fish, and dumplings to steam evenly while preserving nutrients. Its collapsible stainless steel design fits most pots, saving space when not in use. Durable and easy to clean, it's perfect for daily meal prep or special dishes. Affordable yet premium feeling, this steamer basket is ideal for home cooks seeking convenience, efficiency, and professional quality results, making nutritious, flavorful meals quick, sit easy, and mess-free. Number 6. Tart and quiche pan. The tart and quiche pan is designed for perfectly shaped pies, tarts, and quiches. Its removable bottom allows easy release without damaging delicate crusts, while the non-stick surface simplifies cleanup. Durable and reliable, it ensures even baking and professional quality results every time. Affordable yet premium feeling, this pan is ideal for home bakers seeking convenience, versatility, and consistent results, making it easier to create visually stunning and delicious desserts or savory dishes. Number 7. Garlic press. The garlic press makes mincing garlic fast, easy, and mess-free. Its sturdy stainless steel construction crushes cloves efficiently, while the ergonomic handle reduces strain on your hands. Easy to clean and durable, it saves time during meal prep and ensures even flavor distribution in dishes. Affordable yet premium feeling, this kitchen tool is perfect for home cooks seeking convenience, efficiency, and professional quality results in everyday cooking. Compact and reliable, it's an essential gadget for any kitchen. Number 8. Rotary cheese grater. The rotary cheese grater makes grating cheese effortless and precise. Its hand-cranked design allows even shredding, while the stainless steel blades handle hard and soft cheeses with ease. Compact, durable, and easy to clean, it's perfect for adding fresh, perfectly grated cheese to pasta, salads, or baked dishes. Affordable yet premium feeling, this grater is ideal for home cooks seeking convenience, efficiency, and consistent professional quality results in every meal. Number 9. Kitchen shears. The kitchen shears are versatile, durable, and perfect for cutting herbs, poultry, vegetables, and packaging. Its stainless steel blades provide sharp, precise cuts, while the ergonomic handles ensure comfort during use. Compact and easy to store, these shears are dishwasher safe and built to last. Affordable yet premium feeling, they are ideal for home cooks seeking convenience, efficiency, and professional quality performance, making everyday meal prep faster, safer, and more enjoyable. Number 10. Wood rolling pin. The wood rolling pin is perfect for rolling dough evenly for pastries, cookies, and bread. Its smooth, durable hardwood surface ensures consistent thickness, while the ergonomic handles provide control and comfort during use. Compact and versatile, it's easy to clean and store. Affordable yet premium feeling, this rolling pin is ideal for home bakers who want professional quality results, making rolling, shaping, and prepping dough effortless and precise for any baking project. Number 11. Food storage containers. Set the food storage containers. Set keeps your pantry, fridge, or kitchen organized while keeping food fresh. Made from durable BPA-free materials, the airtight lids prevent spills and preserve flavor. Stackable and easy to clean, these containers save space and reduce clutter. Affordable yet premium feeling, this set is ideal for home cooks who want convenient, efficient, and stylish storage solutions, making meal prep, leftovers, and ingredient organization simpler, more hygienic, and visually appealing. Number 12. Spice Rack Organizer. The Spice Rack Organizer keeps your spices neatly arranged and easily accessible. Its tiered design allows you to view and grab every jar quickly, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting use. Compact and space-saving, it fits on countertops or inside cabinets. Affordable yet premium feeling, this organizer is perfect for home cooks who want efficiency, style, and a clutter-free kitchen, making seasoning and meal prep faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Number 13. Refrigerator Organizer Bins. Refrigerator Organizer Bins simplify storage and maximize space inside your fridge. These durable, clear bins allow you to see contents at a glance, keep items grouped, and reduce mess or spills. Stackable and easy to clean, they enhance fridge organization and accessibility. For affordable yet premium feeling, these bins are ideal for home cooks who want a tidy, efficient, and practical fridge setup, making meal prep, storage, and cleanup effortless and organized. Number 14. Pot Lid Holder. The pot lid holder keeps lids organized, accessible, and upright, reducing countertop clutter. Its sturdy, durable design fits various lid sizes, while the sleek finish adds a premium touch to your kitchen. Compact and easy to store, it simplifies meal prep and cleanup. Affordable yet high quality, this lid holder is perfect for home cooks seeking convenience, efficiency, and a stylish way to keep cookware organized and within reach during cooking. Number 15. Lazy Susan Organizer. The Lazy Susan Organizer rotates smoothly to give quick access to spices, condiments, or pantry items. It is made from durable materials with a sleek design. It saves counter and cabinet space while keeping essentials within easy reach. Affordable yet premium feeling, this rotating organizer is perfect for home cooks who want convenience, efficiency, and a stylish, clutter-free kitchen setup that enhances both organization and cooking workflow. Number 16. Magnetic Knife Block. The magnetic knife block safely stores knives within easy reach while saving counter space. Strong magnets securely hold blades, and its sleek, modern design adds a premium look to your kitchen. Durable and easy to clean, it keeps knives organized and accessible for daily use. Affordable yet high quality, this knife block is ideal for home chefs seeking convenience, efficiency, and stylish, clutter-free storage that protects blades and enhances kitchen workflow. Number 17. Under Sink Organizer. The Under Sink Organizer maximizes space and keeps cleaning supplies neatly arranged. Its adjustable design fits various cabinet sizes, while durable construction ensures long-lasting use. Easy to clean and access, it reduces clutter and simplifies kitchen maintenance. Affordable yet premium feeling, this organizer is perfect for home cooks who want a tidy, functional, and efficient storage solution under the sink, making cleaning supplies organized, accessible, and hassle-free. Number 18. Airtight Glass Canister. Set the airtight glass canister set keeps pantry staples fresh and organized. Made from durable glass with airtight lids, it prevents spills and preserves flavor for grains, flour, coffee, or snacks. Stackable and easy to clean, it combines practicality with a premium look. Affordable yet high quality, this canister set is ideal for home cooks who want stylish, hygienic, and space-saving storage solutions for everyday kitchen essentials. Number 19. Kitchen trash can. The kitchen trash can offers convenient, hygienic, and stylish waste disposal. Its durable construction and easy-to-open lid keep odors contained, while the sleek design complements any kitchen decor. Compact yet spacious, it fits neatly in corners or under counters. Affordable yet premium feeling, this trash can is perfect for home cooks seeking a functional, efficient, and visually appealing solution to manage daily kitchen waste. Number 20. Kitchen compost bin. The kitchen compost bin provides an eco-friendly solution for collecting food scraps and organic waste. Its airtight lid reduces odors, and the compact design fits on countertops or under sinks. Durable and easy to clean, it encourages sustainable kitchen habits. Affordable yet premium feeling, this compost bin is ideal for home cooks who want a practical, convenient, and environmentally conscious way to manage food waste while keeping the kitchen tidy. That's a wrap on the top 20 new kitchen gadgets 2026. Which gadget are you adding to your kitchen first? Comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more innovative kitchen finds.